guys, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. We're at day three of the Bali trip. Currently, I'm stationed in Ubud. I moved away from Canggu, that was like for 2 nights. Head over there, like for beach clubs, beaches. It's a good place for all that. Now we're at Bali's tropical side. This place reminds me of my own state, Kerala in India. Beautiful plantations, vegetation, and then a little bit of like resorts they got in Ubud. So the first destination here would be to go to Monkey Sanctuary. Heard these monkeys are very aggressive. They take your glasses and I don't know caps. But I'm not gonna taunt them. I'll be from a distance, and then you'll be like, I'm gonna shoot like this. So that's where we're headed next for like next 2 hours or so. Then grab lunch, then try to go to rice terrace fields, but it's probably gets closed by 5, so I don't know if we can make it. It's already 2:20, so we have to hurry and see if we can do both today. If not, it needs to be done tomorrow. So stay tuned for the videos. So this is what my room looks like in Ubud. It's pretty chill. Got a double bed here. But what I like about this resort is the fact that the bathroom itself is big as the room. Got a bathtub, shower, toilet, large mirrors, and then you get this beautiful view of the plantation. Like hot, like what do you say? Probably I'm gonna swim here tomorrow morning. So here I'm going towards my grab. Guy was just nearby. I'll give you like one last tour of this place. When it's kind of hot, so I have to like wear a cap and glasses. Let's go. The path towards the main entrance is a bit longer, so gotta do some walking. Terrace price swing. Yeah, this is the main guy here. He's in charge. Say hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Thank you. Waiting for a grab. Must be here.
Is it
This one.
the black one?
This is the ride to Ubud. We're in a gap, and there's a bit of traffic. Cars coming in. I genuinely feel Ubud is a bit more hot, humid than the other places I've been. I don't know, it's because of the. It should be actually less hot because it has so many trees. But I feel the opposite. Alright, we just reached the Monkey Forest Sanctuary. It's much bigger than what expected. There's a lot of people around. There's a proper ticketing system. It's like it's a big place. The interactive map. Alright, that's the guidelines. We need that. No food or drink, about direct eye contact. Yeah, let's go. 2 tickets, please. Alright, we're here. Yeah, just monkeys shitting. So it's Alright, well, what a beautiful pathway we created. It's the home for the monkeys. What if they had like chimps, gorillas? Probably. Okay, I found this interesting little note about Goddess Durga. Okay, let's follow the crowd. Oh, look at the big ass monkey. Yeah, yeah.
I'll keep I'm gonna go just a little more. I like really love it. I love it.
I think it's luring us into a trap. Do we need light? Do dirt. I don't trust these monkeys.
You have to trust a monkey. They want
Whoa, this looks cool. The view. View there is good. This one is wounded. Got a big ass wound on his butt.
It's not the way. It is. It's not the way.
Look out for the little ones, you know, they're hungry. They're hungry for humans.
Let's make a vlogging for us, right?
We're vlogging here. Yeah, but you gotta pay money.
Yeah, so.
It's okay, I did with snake. Better than monkeys. Lots of crowd here. Oh, look at this forest. Wow, I love this ambience. The greenery, the sudden shift in mood. We have a photographer. You're a professional, huh?
Yes.
Welcome. How do you feel?
Happy.
You want to see some
I'm
monkeys?
like afraid of the monkey because they are so aggressive.
Who? The monkey? Or me?
Yeah.
You mean me?
Yeah.
I'll slap those monkeys. If I see them up close. I'm in the pathway where there's a lot of monkeys. And they're just jumping around from place one branch to another. So we'll see. The big ones are right next to me.
We take a seat for 1 second. One.
This one's big. He's following me since a long time. Shit. He's following you.
Oh no, wait, please stop.
Oh, he's going to the wall.
We were like that before. Before we are a human.
Could be. We are
I-
apes. We came from apes.
We trust. As Indonesian, we trust that we were a monkey.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we just made past half of the path for the monkey sanctuary. It's a very interesting place. A lot of hungry monkeys and violent monkeys too. They just run and try to take stuff from you. But so far, I've not interacted with anyone that's that up close, so I'm good, guys. But the ambience is great.
Yeah.
I think everyone should have like this in their bucket list when if they're visiting Bali. It's like a step
And also
away. A step away from, the usual Bali crowd.
and they also have a service for taking picture with a monkey.
Yeah, if you pay them 50K in cash, you can get a picture.
Yeah.
Like for
Like a
couple
selfie.
Yeah, but we saw one person who was doing crazy stunts with the camera,
Uh-huh.
and looks like he's a
Yeah.
professional.
Yeah, exactly.
I did once with a snake, so I think this is enough. Snake's much better than a monkey. Monkeys is like you can
But
see.
snakes do not think.
The snake didn't do anything.
Hi guys, so we are in the monkey forest. Oh, is it the way? Oh yeah. And there's a lot of monkey, but I don't think that they're so aggressive. They're not like following us. They're not grab something.
Basically, found out.
Yeah, just like okay, we're just walking and see a lot of monkeys. And they have a service for like taking a picture with the monkeys, and it costs like 50K in cash. So, and they do a lot of like a monkey selfie. So yeah.
Sure. There's monkeys in front of you.
Oh yeah.
We need to know what kind of monkeys they are. Don't go close. It's okay. Let them mind their business. Let's go there. Where? You can see here. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
On your right. Get a monkey consoling another monkey. Is it sleeping or tired? Just don't get too close. Keep at it. Now we're back from their place. This is closed. Let's check at the map. I think we should take a picture here. Whoa, that's massive. Yeah. That's like a waterfall there, a mini waterfall. But in this area, I'm not seeing any monkeys. It's just people walking around, getting the view right correctly. So we've been walking for 30 minutes, probably max. And I'm not sure whether we explored the full place. So I think you can keep up to like 1.5 hours for this activity as per Mazer AI, the assistant that I'm using for all my trip planning. Oh, the monkey's up close. I went away. Take a look at the temple. Not sure which guide is being presented here. Video. How does it feel? Some more scriptures. Bunch of monkeys having their daily appetite. But I can only go this far. And there's a guy making some sounds, probably to get the monkeys on board. There's one here, you saw? The last recording did not get saved, so I'm just gonna redo it again. We just took almost like an hour to finally finish the tour. But all you can do here is just feed the monkeys and take a selfie for 50k idea as mentioned. But there's a map if you ever get lost, so it's not a huge place, but you can just literally follow the crowd and never get lost. So after this, I'm gonna head to the rice terrace field, but I'm not sure whether there's time. I don't think there's time because it closes by 5. It's already 4 now. So thank you for joining. Stay tuned for the next one.